What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing some fork lug guards on this new Husqvarna. Developed for off-road, motocross, endurocross, and hard enduro, making it suitable for all types of riding. Protecting lower fork lugs from rocks and impact damage. Now with a larger chamfer around the perimeter to reduce edge grab and ramp the fork away from obstacles. Made with the same durable material as our rear chain guides, using friction-reducing additives and UV protection to eliminate color fade. Glides over obstacles with much less friction and grab than aluminum. Fast and easy installation, includes newer, longer bolts for mounting. Made in the USA.